Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a very quick hack for getting things out of your shelves if they're not stuck on too deep. So this used to be a witness cone, and all I'm going to use is a kitchen knife. As you can see, this has been used for pottery, but please make sure you wear your eye protection. This is really important. So all I'm going to do is strike it like this. And that's it. So I don't really need to use a grinder unless I just want to smooth it over a little bit. Sometimes I'll just put some more kiln wash over it and call it a day, but you know, it didn't require any power tools, which is always a plus in my books. For glaze pieces that are seeped in a little bit deeper into the shelf, sometimes I will actually use a chisel, and I will kind of go at an angle, sometimes even with this knife, and I will hit the back of it. So it will kind of like chisel it out. And then if you don't want a divot, you really do have to use some sort of like a sander or grinder to smooth it over. But I hope that was helpful, and have a great day.